All right, so today we're gonna be taking a look at Toyota's wireless camera system and installing it on a travel trailer. All right, so on a lot of travel trailers, they're already gonna come pre-wired with a backup camera system. If not, the Toyota wireless camera system actually comes with a built-in battery, allowing you to mount it on all kinds of trailers. So one of the first things you wanna do is clean the area you're gonna be installing the camera. I previously had a camera installed here, so I had to get rid of all the silicone I put around that. Now in the back of the quick start guide, you are gonna find your mounting holes template. That way you can cut this out, go ahead and level it, tape it up, and drill your holes. Now that you got your template all leveled out and mounted, the next thing you wanna do is drill out your pilot holes and your holes for your rivets later on. So now that you got your holes drilled out for your camera, next thing you want to do is install these rivets. To do that, you're going to want to find the one black screw, go ahead and put it through the gold screw, and then through the rivet all the way. And then you're going to go ahead and put that in the hole, get yourself a wrench to hold the gold screw into place, and then tighten it down with an Allen key. Now that these rivets are installed, the next thing you're going to do is go ahead and install the mounting bracket. But before you install the mounting bracket, you're gonna go ahead and wanna find this grommet that's inside of the kit and choose your wiring of choice, whether it's gonna be the plug that comes with most travel trailers, or if you're gonna wire it yourself directly to a 12-volt outlet or power source. Now that you got your mount all mounted up and wired up, the next thing you wanna do is prepare your camera. And to do that, you wanna go ahead and get the antennas put on there. And then you also wanna attach the tether. Take the end, loop it through this hole right here, and then the bulb will catch at the end of this tether. Now before you finish tightening everything down, you're gonna wanna go ahead and make sure the camera does have power, which means you're gonna go inside the truck, turn the lights on, make sure the trailer is hooked up, and then you wanna go into your screen and ensure that the camera is at the right angle before you tighten everything down. Now sitting inside the Tundra, if you go ahead and hit your view button, you'll see your 360 camera, but now if you hit your auxiliary button, you'll be able to see your feed from the camera we just installed. And as you can see, we are a little bit high, so we're gonna have to angle the camera down. And then once you're done tightening everything down, including your safety strap, you can go ahead and trim off any excess line. That way it's not slapping across your trailer and scratching it up. And that was just a quick overview on how to install the wireless camera system on a Toyota. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to visit our website or give us a call.